Well, this defendant just told Judge Simmons one of the reasons why he haven't been charging his tether. And that's because when he was arrested, they took his charger. Now, his bond has been revoked, and he needs to do everything in his power to find that charger or get a charger replaced, or he's going to land himself back in jail. Sit back, enjoy, and let's enjoy this case.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matt Nagel for the people.
Jacob Riley on behalf of Mr. Smith.
We have a bond violation. Why is that? Let's see. Does he have the new charge?
There is a new city of Lansing case resulting from the bond violation trespass case.
It's already been issued. He doesn't need to be arraigned on it.
It's set for pre-trial.
Okay, so it's been arraigned. Okay, sounds good. This was scheduled for a hearing. He's already been arraigned on this bond violation. Because he was arraigned on the 25th by Magistrate Milmore. He pled not guilty.
Yeah. That's what's telling you. You passed the new because we got notification. It's telling you the charge.
I have do not commit crime while released. I have another one, do not commit crime while released. The two bond violations I have in here.
That's the email.
Well, but I get that, but this is why his bond has not been revoked. These have been set for a hearing today by the magistrate, or though she arraigned him on those. Are we prepared to do a hearing on these?
Your Honor, I suppose my request would be that this be held out as at least one of them has resulted in a misdemeanor case. And the other one potentially could be, but it has not been found yet.
I'll just say that, I mean, whether or not this is held out is certainly within the discretion of the court. I know the court rules allow that request. I will point out, however, that LPD Care, I spoke with them today. They've been trying to get in touch with them for the contempt hearing. We've been unable to reach them, so I don't have a witness for the contempt hearing today anyway.
I think
Did you do a bench warrant on this?
looks like on the 29th.
It's not in the file.
It was done on the 29th of January to revoke the bond. Actually, it looks like it was sent to the clerk's office either. It was entered in. It's not in jail.
Yeah, so it was never entered in the lien or sent to the clerk's office.
It was sent to the clerk's office. They are attached to the files. It's not in JIS.
It's not in JIS, it's not in the
That
file.
means they didn't.
It's not in the file either. There's nothing on here that says I revoked the bond. I'm assuming it's have to be an email.
Mhm.
Who signed the bench warrant? You have on a GPS tether, sir? You speak up so I can hear you?
Yes,
Is it charged?
it's not charged.
Why not?
When I got arrested, they never gave me the charger back. And I have no way of contacting
They never gave you the charger back. What do you mean?
police when I got locked up.
Oh, you saying you got locked up, they took the charger?
They took the charger, never returned to.
I'm not sure how this GPS tether work. What does the charger look like?
That's on my.
Chart.
The
Oh,
charger.
It's
a cord?
Yes.
And so when you got arrested, they took the cord
They took them, they never returned.
downstairs?
Yes,
And so when you collected your things, you asked where the cord was?
yes, I did.
And what did they say?
They said this is all my property.
Why did they take you with the cord?
I don't know.
And so you were arrested, I believe, January 25th or something? Let's see. January, looks like
Yes, it might.
24th. 21st and 24th. Okay, let's see. This is Judge Simmons. How are you? I'm doing well. I have a person in my courtroom, Jeffrey Smith, who was in custody. He said he was arrested. And at the time he was arrested, which was back in January, he had this Tether charger. And that when he was released, he did not get that back. You all don't have to just have a charger to GPS tether. He has the tether on. He's still wearing the tether. He just said that he doesn't have the charger. Yeah, so he would have, so he was already on bond for me with the GPS tether since the 11th, and it looked like on the 20th, he was, for the 21st, he was arrested on something else. Okay, no problem. Jeffrey Smith. Okay, sounds good, thank you. Okay, so they don't seem to have a charger down there. They said it would have been put in your property. You need to contact the tether company. You just gotta get a charge, otherwise you're not compliant with the bond condition. I actually issued, I revoked your bond. It just never, the paperwork never got properly dealt with, because I didn't know what was going on. And so if you got GPS tether, which you were ordered, I think you were arraigned by Judge Ward, is that correct? Or Judge Magistrate Faulkner ordered GPS tether. And so if you're on tether, your responsibility is to keep it charged. So I don't know what happened to your charger. You need to contact the tether company and see if you can get a new charger. And have your attorney help you make contact with them, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I expect you to do that today. Otherwise, I will have to revoke your bond to make sure you're compliant with the tether requirements, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then as to the underlying charge, what are we doing, counsel?
I'll be requesting final pretrial.
March 24th at 8 AM. During April 14th at 8.
You have a question, sir?
No, I just, I mean, I can't go home, I can't change clothes.
What do you mean?
'Cause
You're asking me this?
No, you asked me, oh, no, it wasn't a question.
You say you can't go home and change clothes? Why not?
'Cause I can't, I have to tell them it's a victim involved at all.
Okay, well, there's been a no contact order in place since January 11th. So you're saying you were in the same clothes since January 11th?
Yes.
So you haven't gotten ability to get your clothes?
No.
This person lives at the, you were living at the same address, is that what it was? Okay, well, typically the court will rely or allow you to enter once, usually with law enforcement. I don't see where that was allowed. And also, I don't think law enforcement's really interested in helping people get their things. However, how about this? Do you have contact with the victim, Mr. Nagel?
And I believe in this case, Your Honor, we've been having trouble with getting in contact with the victim. None of the numbers we have here to work.
Okay, I was gonna say, because then what should have happened, or if we can get contact, we can make arrangements for a time for that victim not to be there, so you go get your clothes. But they don't have contact information. If you have some contact information, you should provide to your attorney. Maybe it's different from what they have.
I don't know.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, well, unfortunately, there's not much I can do other than try to move the final pretrial up quicker. Can we add a slot for final pretrial earlier in the- February 24th for final pretrial. And that will require the victim to appear in person, okay?
So was it February 24th or March 24th?
February, I just added a slot because of his situation.
Oh, okay, thank you.
February 24th. And then we'll continue the PA 53 matter.
So schedule that for the 18th.
Yes. When you contact the Tether company, just let them know what happened, that it was lost during a subsequent arrest, and you need another treasure. Any additional matters for the record?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
No, Your Honor.
You're all set. Welcome. We're giving him a notice right now, because I think of the notice he has by the 24th.
It's 24.
Let me see what you got. We gotta make sure you got the right stuff in here.
You just wrote it down.
We don't want you to, no, we'll get you the fresh one. Thank you, so you don't get confused.